Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for laptop. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. You can easily create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the home page. It's filled with design inspiration and various templates to get you started on your creative journey. Familiarize yourself with the basic layout and navigation. Now let's pick a template. Canva offers thousands of professional templates for virtually any project, from social media posts to presentations. Select one that catches your eye. Customizing is straightforward. Click on text boxes to edit content, change fonts and colors, and easily swap out images. You can also upload your own photos or graphics to truly personalize your design and make it unique. To enhance your creation, explore Canva's extensive library of design elements. You'll find icons, shapes, stickers, and more, with many free options available. Use the intuitive tools for cropping, resizing, and layering to achieve precise placement. Don't be afraid to experiment with effects, filters, and even animations to add a professional and engaging flair to your designs. It's all about making your vision come to life. Once your design is perfect, it's time to save and share. You can download your finished work in multiple formats such as JPG, PNG, or PDF, depending on your needs. Canva also makes it easy to share your creations directly to social media platforms or by generating a shareable link. For more great tips and resources, including other deals, be sure to check the description below. And remember, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.